I have a 420cc Craftsman riding mower, and its stall after it gets hot, and I think it is the CDI ignition unit. I have checked everything else, fuel filter, spark plug and so forth.
Does it have spark when it quits? If no spark, and has to cool before it will refire, the coil is failing and needs replaced.
I will replace the coil to make sure that is it, but I don't have the means to check the spark. But I do really suspect the CDI unit, and I can't find one anywhere. When it gets warm it starts to miss and then pop and continue to run several times, then eventually die. Both the coil and CDI unit are against the cylinder, so it could be either one. The mower is only about 18 months old, but living in this part of Idaho, Sears does not have a parts house in the area.
What engine is this? I thought it was a Briggs single-cylinder unit. It would only have ignition coil/module, no CDI.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.